Alright guys, we got the Canik Tp9SF. I just picked this up today on tax-free weekend, Mississippi. Wee-hoo! I think this thing was originally made in Turkey and imported by Century Arms, or made by Century Arms, imported from Turkey, some crap. SF stands for Special Forces. Alright, let's open it up. This is what you get when you get one of these new. Here you go, kitty. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. Oh, cleaning brush fell. Hey, cool. Pretty neat. And let's see. Maybe a Blackhawk style holster. Anyways, here's the gun. Bam. Special Forces. There's the sights on it. Never point a gun at a kitty. What? The guy convinced me to get it. He said that he switched from his Glock 17, 19, whatever it was. Check out the high capacity mags. To this gun. This is super reliable, you know. And the gun I originally went to get, they were sold out of, so it comes with a quick loader. And quality controlled rubber assurance stamp. Quality controlled. Another magazine. Interchangeable backstocks? Yeah, I guess you can make it larger, smaller. I don't know what that one is. But here's the main draw to it for me. Check out this trigger pull. Ready? You can see it again. There we go. There we go. I'm squeezing. It's so sweet, so light. I think it comes around at 5 pounds maybe. And I mean, it's gonna get compared to the Glock, but what polymer handgun isn't? I mean, it feels durable. I mean, it's 18+1, double stack, striker fired. Magazines go for about 25 bucks aftermarket, so I mean, it's cool that they throw you 2 of them. I mean, I haven't shot it yet. I'm not gonna take it apart or anything. Oh yeah, I wanted a gun, or a full-size handgun with a rail. Picatinny rail. I want my camera focus. Come on, boy. Girl, whatever you identify as. Yeah, I've heard that you had to file these things down sometimes, because if you want to get like a Surefire or Crimson Laser, you know, it might not fit adequately, which is kind of weird because the that size has been around for a long time. But you get closer, try to get this thing to zoom in. You can see there we go. I mean, the grips feel great. It's got a good sandpaper grip. The kitten approves. Hey, the kitty. But yeah, I'll let you know how it shoots. Get in my belly.